Hello and welcome to Mzansi Stories Review. I am back yet again reviewing one of your Mzansi favorites soapies, and in this video we are reviewing Sibongile and the Laminis. Guys, ngiyanamukela kwi-channel yethu ehamba phambili ngokunenzela noma inihlaziyele amasoapie eni ayiniwathandayo awonqa phambili. Kanti-ke namhlanje sizonihlaziyela uSibongile and the Dlaminis esiqephuni kade sidlala ngomsombuluko 13 January 2024. How magazine ave Philippi is not a real person. Like, she's not a real person at all. So Philippi is under the impression that she's gonna be the chosen one to marry indodana yenduna, and she's out here discussing it with Usibongile. Guys, my phone cutted. Yes, so Philippi uyacomplaina la Usibongile, and Usibongile uyamkhumbuza ukuthi hayibo Philippi, kanti awunaye yini wena ubaba wengane? Well, Philippi says that she was definitely not meant for struggle, and things between herself and Usipho have been nothing but a struggle, and it's just not it's just has not been the greatest, honestly, being with Usipho. Well, Philippi being Philippi, I think by now we all know that Philippi is a complainer. She complains a lot about stuff that she herself cannot change or can't change as of yet. So she complains, she complains so much about small stuff, that she's unhappy, that she was meant for greatness, and she just knows that Uvuma, their father, should allow this marriage to happen, and uyasho ukuthi yena, she knows, she have been knowing all her life that she is definitely meant for greatness, and beautiful things in life should come, in her life rather, should come. Well, ke Usibongile does say, ayibo Philippi, bring up Paula, don't take things, as fast as you are taking them, Philippi uyasho ukuthi hayibo Sibongile usho ukuthini? I mean, I'm ready to get married, I'm ready to be part of ebukhosini, family, nami ngibe umuntu omkhulu la endaweni, people bow down to me and all that. However, guys, Philippi, when I say she's not a real person, I mean she's not a real person, because there is really no way saying that she is a real person. Like, she can't be a real person. I refuse to believe that Philippi is actually a real person. I refuse to believe. Usibongile just lets Philippi assume that the bumbles are here for her, because I feel like Usibongile really didn't want to disappoint Philippi. Like I said, Philippi is not a real person, guys. Like, I refuse to believe ukuthi Philippi ngempela umuntu wangempela. I ngeke, no, it can't be. She is just definitely not a real person. She is in her own world, her own bubble, little world, where she just makes up stuffs and believes stuff. And njalo nje Philippi kusami, she's always meant for greatness, and her things really does not grow or show any kind of greatness. But yena njalo nje uViliphi bandla, I'm meant for greatness, So yeah, definitely, in my opinion, I refuse to believe ukuthi uViliphi bandla umuntu wangempela. I refuse to believe ukuthi umuntu wangempela. I just feel like like, you can't be a real person at this point, because like, she have done so many attempts. She have even tried to be a good person, Gusipho, but Kesana failed. Meanwhile, we have Uvuma. I would like to say ukuthi Uvuma ubaba uqotho or enkundleni zokuxhumana ko social media kanjena. I was seeing many people criticizing Uvuma, saying Uvuma should let Ugwenzo and Usibongile be together. It's not a big deal, nani. And I'm thinking you definitely must be 16 or 18 to think that way, because if you are older, you would know ukuthi uVuma is definitely a great father. You cannot just allow your young adult's daughter to get married, especially when they are not done with university. They are still in that age of self-discovery and all this. I'm very much happy and pleased with the way uVuma is handling Ukwenzo and Usibongile's situation. Definitely they are so young to get married, way too young to get married. And maybe if they're just discovering each other and each on its own, going on a personal journey, what they like, what they would love to achieve with their lives, and what they would like to do with their lives. So that definitely makes much sense to me than many people saying that uVuma is just an unreal person, unrealistic and all that. So uVuma now is having a meeting in Nduna, who came to inform uVuma ukuthi lalela Vuma, ngicabanga ukuthi mina nawe we are good men, singobaba abaqotho, we would love our children to get married to one another, because and uVuma says that really, the only important thing to hear is his children getting good education, because he does say that he's not wealthy, he does not come from a wealthy family, and the only tool and only great tool that he can ever install and instill to his children is to make sure that they get a good education, they achieve their dreams and aspirations. Okay, Induna says, for sure, when Vuma, whom they might disagree with what you are saying, definitely our children must be educated, our children must achieve the greatest, our children must be one of the greatest, but our children must also found love, And I think for you, Vuma, you must make sure that your children get to choose good men. Amadoda abuya emakhaya aqotho, just like my son uMpumelelo. Guys, I did not get to see uMpumelelo in question, because uNduna came to propose a marriage for his son uMpumelelo. So we all haven't seen this uMpumelelo, and it's quite sad actually that we haven't seen uMpumelelo. I cannot wait to see uMpumelelo. Well, uVuma, it sounds like he was just about to agree and say, definitely, let's allow our children to get married and all that. But along the way, he definitely changed his mind and said no. Definitely, if Usibongile was done with the school, if Sibongile have achieved the things that she has always wanted to achieve in life, he was never going to oppose the marriage proposal. But now that Usibongile, is still in university and the first one in the family to ever go to university, he feels like he cannot right now put her daughter's life at risk, and her daughter's future rather at risk, by arranging a wedding or marriage. And he also does say that it's totally up to Usibongile. It's Usibongile's decision. He is not the kind of father to so after uVelephi actually found out from her uncle Uguti, actually the visitors were never here for her. This broke her heart, shame. It broke Velephi's heart, and I think in a way I just had to sympathize with her. She was then told Uguti, actually these people were here for Usibongile and not you. And I could just tell Uguti she is crushed. I could tell Uguti she is just unable to comprehend the information and understand Uguti. They're not here for Usibongile. So as soon as not here for her rather, as soon as Ebonu Usibongile walking in the room, She then was just like, lalela wesibongile, angeke mele ungitshele kahle kahle ukuthi kahle kahle inkinga yakho yini, why nje wena into ezi-right, into ezi-nice, izinto ezi-soft emhlabeni zifanele wena and mina zingangifaneli. I mean, ever since I met you, ever since, okay, you go to varsity, amadoda amahle a-right afuna wena, izinto zakho nje zihlezi zi-right, even induna uqobo ifuna ukushada wena, kahle kahle yini ngempela inkinga ngami? Man, you know, uma ekhuluma kanjalo guys uVelaphi, I couldn't help it but ngimzwele guys and sympathize with him, you know, and empathize with her and just feel like, oh my Nkosi yami isono ngoVeli. I mean, Veli, like her life has just not been going the greatest right now, and it's not nice, you know, it's not nice to see your siblings achieving. Not that you're jealous, you're definitely not jealous, but you just have that thing, when is gonna be my turn, you know? Usibongile just like, hey bo, wena we lontuzana weVelaphi kahle kahle, what do you mean? Mina nginokwenza okwami. Oh Nkosi yami guys, ziningi ngithi Usibongile using the tone ukuthi mina nginokwenza okwami. I don't know, ngifilile, it felt it. But ke Velaphi being Velaphi refuses to understand and believes Usibongile ukuthi really truly she had nothing to do with her having an arranged wedding, a marriage rather. Guys, do people really still arrange weddings or marriages amongst their children? Like, I know that it was one of the custom that was practiced way back, but haibo guys, in like ngoku, this time, this year, nje ngempela kusekhona abantu who see it fit to arrange weddings. Okay, uvuma ke lana sit her daughter down and say, lalela Sibongile kababa, there are people here who wishes for you to marry and all that. Usibongile declines the offer and says, lalela baba, ngiyakuthanda, ngiyakuhlonipha, ngiyakurespecta nayo yonke lento, but I do not wish to get married to Nduna's son. I do not wish to get married to anyone currently right now. Oh guys, when I said Vuma, as one of the most beautiful Zulu men that I've ever seen, especially when he comes to the way he cares for his children. He really cares for his children. He really cares for Usibongile. You can just see right through him. And then Usibongile went and told uKwenzo ukuthi hayibo Kwenzo, ngaze ngagileka ke ekhaya ngixoxele phela ekhaya they actually had people who came over to propose marriage. Yo Nkosi bandla, this did not sit well with uKwenzo. Kwenzakaleni? And Usibongile just tries to come to Kwenzo down. Lalela Kwenzo, really, you have to come down right now because it's not as bad as you think. Ubaba would never ever angforce or angphoqe to get married when I'm not ready to get married. And Kwenzo also have this thing ukuthi ubaba kaSibongile akamthandi, you know, just that ukuthi phela singakhohlwa ukuthi ubaba wakho ngathi akangizwisisi, and now there is this arranged wedding or marriage that has to happen. Like, all these nje are just important factors for Kwenzo to just feel a bit offlish. And then Usibongile just says, lalela Kwenzo, really, you just really have nothing to worry about at this point, because I turned down the offer, I declined it. I will never get married to anyone, okay? Kwenzo just couldn't help himself, decided to go, you know what, he's gonna take it up to himself to approach Induna ukuthi lalela ke wenduna, Nkosi yami ngicela nje uhlale wazi ukuthi uSibongile ungowami, ungazihluphi futhi ungayikhathazi lokho ngempela ngosibongile. uSibongile is my dululu. My dululu wami uSibongile, and you just really don't have to bother yourself, okay? Induna la says lalela ke wena Kwenzo, as far as I know uSibongile is a young unmarried woman, akunayinkomo owazisa kubo, meaning that uSibongile akuyena nje wakho, okay? Well ukwenza sesilalela inkomo zisendleleni inkomo akungabi nje into esingathi ziyakuhlupha lezo usuhlupheka kakhulu ke manje uhlushwa ukuthi angakakhiphi inkomo no inkomo isendleleni well ke induna iyasho ke ukuthi mfana because wena umncane nesizulu usunderstand kahle sizokufundisa thina ngoba sesibadala ukuthi izulu sithi oseyishayile akakayosi kanti noseyosile akakayidli kanti noseyidlile usadla ecala meaning that noma yini ingenzeka even if usumlobolile umfazi asangayishintsha ingqondo ethande omunye noma ephinde egane kwenye indawo. Yo, I shame when I tell you ukuthi ukwenza indlela kade futhekele ngayo yey befuthekeleni inkosi yami ukwenza wabantu and induna also yasho lana ukuthi lalela ke wena mfana omncane ngelinye ilanga umuzizwa engathi ufuna ukukhuluma nani kuyokusiza ke ukuthi uhlele kahle iappointment because nje mina angihlaka nje nabafana abancane bengehle nje emgwaqeni ngiyabona ukuthi lapha kini kaDlamini ngathi bakufundisanga kahle inhlonipho kanti ke ubokhululeka ke uze la yithi sizokufundisa thina inhlonipho ngelinye ilanga wenza sure ukuthi uyahlela kahle iappointment sizobonana sikhulume ke mangabe uyathanda ukukhuluma nami ungaphinde nje mina ungimise emgwaqeni angiyona intanga yakho futhi angisoze ngibe intanga yakho. Oh well, it is official that uvuma ke uzobona uSibongile benokwenza engathi bayasondelana. Uvuma will then changes his mind about this arranged wedding or marriage and uSibongile will then realize ukuthi hey ngathi usenkingeni enkulu and decided ukuthi okungcono into ezomsiza makukanjena akavele nje ezilahlekele inkosi yami umntana abantu so uSibongile is gonna go missing and eXhobo everyone in eXhobo will be dead worried about uSibongile and goes hunting for uSibongile up and down. Now guys, the question here is, do you think that this arranged wedding will happen? This arranged marriage will happen between uMpumelelo and uSibongile? And when uMpumelelo finally gets disappointed that uSibongile does not want to marry him, will he then choose his uVelephi wabantu Nkosi yami? And how will Velephi feel when she now understands ukuthi she's legit someone's second best, okay? She's a second best in someone else's life. You know, I am understanding which that cannot be easy also to accept. So yeah, the storyline of uSibongile nalo mshado wakhe wempoqo ukuthi uSibongile uzobona kungcono ukuthi uma uvuma engakwamukeli ukuthi yena uyamthanda ukwenza uzobona kungcono ukuthi evele ehambe ezilahlekele. Now, we also have a huge storyline in the Dlaminis when uWewe has found out ukuthi uNelly nesiphoyisa isecurity labo ngathi banobudlelwano. However, uNelly into kazobe eyitatazela eyivevezela not wanting umedem wakhe phela ukuthi I found out ngale ndaba. Meanwhile, umedem Phetheni and Mr. Dlamini were on a holiday in Dubai, and when they try to rekindle their love the best way they know how to, but Mr. Dlamini still have a heart for uNomfundo. But then Mr. Dlamini quickly realizes that really uNomfundo is moving on, and as hard as it is, but Mr. Dlamini still wants to persuade uNomfundo, still wants to be in uNomfundo's life, but it turns out that it's not that way, okay? It doesn't work that way with uNomfundo, who has now found new love in a new man's hands. Well, I think that's all that we had on today's review of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Now, if you do love and like and enjoy our review, you will give this video a huge thumbs up. And of course, I will see you on the next one when I am bringing you more of your favorites soapies. Now please don't be shy to comment down below and tell us which other review you would like this channel to review, which other soapy you would like this channel to review. So then please do stay blessed, and I love you so much. Please do stay blessed, and I will see you of course on the next one when I'm bringing you more reviews. Till then, I love you.